feel now that you've had your surgery?
Okay. It's fun elevating it all the time.
You had your, what was it called? Meniscus yesterday morning. And now we are sitting at our favorite taco truck waiting for our tacos and our quesadilla to get made.
Yep.
Because we have people coming to look at the house. And I need to go back home and work because I'm officially in a job and working virtually. The Hurricane Ida, doing some training for independent adjusters working in Louisiana. And I should be in front of the computer right now helping them out. But we can't do that when we have people viewing the house. So hopefully we'll sell it soon. Nothing from our broker. Still no boat. Patience, patience. Although if we got a boat right now, what would be? You wouldn't be able to do anything.
I could sit on it and relax with my foot elevated.
Your foot elevated on the water instead of in the Jeep. Yeah.
What are you doing? Is it Daddy? Yes, it is. Okay. Give me a second. What are you doing? 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 Give me a second. Give me a second. I know. I'm back. I'm back. I know. Okay. Oh my no.
She's been crying for like the last 20 minutes.
Oh my goodness. Daddy's here.
Going on a bike ride. The first bike ride I think I've been on in a couple of months. And boy, am I feeling it. But Donovan just had his surgery a week and a half ago and he's already on a bike. We're sitting in the empty condo because our house is being shown right now. So this is fun. I think Zoe thinks there's a dead body on that wall because every time we come here, she sits there and stares at that wall and barks at it and then tries to climb up the wall. It's kind of freaky. Look, she's staring at it. We just dropped off 6-7 big huge boxes of men's clothes and 4 suitcases full of women's clothes and 2 huge bags of shoes at the consignment store. They're gonna go through it and whatever cannot be consigned will be donated to local charities. Oddly enough, my closet doesn't even look like I put a dent into it. We are leaving, today's Tuesday?
Today's Wednesday. We'll leave tomorrow.
Today's Wednesday?
Yes.
We're leaving tomorrow for Annapolis for the boat show. Wait. Yeah, tomorrow. Very excited to go to the sailboat show in Annapolis. Donovan's gonna take a 2-day class on diesel engines. Are you excited about that?
I'm excited about that. I'm ready for it.
You're ready for it?
Yeah. I know nothing about it, so I'm ready for it.
Yep, it's gonna be intensive. back seat because I've got my work laptop, I'm working on the next video, and Queen Zoe over here has to be on top of me, my little Velcro. So we're playing Driving Miss Daisy today. Oh my god, this bridge looks like it's about to fall apart.
All you gotta do is push that off.
Yeah, let's not. Just not. Claudine does not like bridges. I'm ready to get off this thing. What is that? It's a dinosaur. Alrighty then. Made it to Annapolis. Say hi.
Hello.
We just parked the car. I got my handy dandy old woman fan. We dropped off Zoe at the dog sitters. We are about to enter the Fountaine Pajot area. There's a Elba 45, Astrea. And a leopard. This one's a 45, oh, 42 and a 45, yeah.
Son of a southern man, daughter of a freedman, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candlelight, stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but even his father ain't never gonna do her no harm. And whiskey on his breath, they were scared to death, and he was meaner than the devil himself. It was him or them, and you can call it a sin, but the Roanoke River won't tell. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Candlelight, stop love tonight. Can't nobody stop this love. 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 Oh, can't nobody stop this love. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. stop this love. Can't nobody 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 stop this love. Okay.